At the edge of the backyard, dusk settles over the mysterious WonderGate. William sits quietly, watching the tiny GlowSprites. Their once brilliant lights are now dim, flickering like dying embers in the wooden frame. Chewy the dog watches them with drooping ears, feeling the sadness in the air. Bubbles the hen tilts her head and lets out a soft, concerned cluck. "Why are you losing your glow?" William asks softly, pointing at the fading sparks. The world seems to hold its breath as the magic begins to wane. Suddenly, the WonderGate emits a low, ancient creak. A blue-purple shimmer pulses from the wood, and a new symbol appears, the silhouette of a sprite. It pulses in a rhythmic sequence. Blink, then a double blink.
Then one final flash. The GlowSprites chime in perfect harmony. William smiles, his eyes bright with excitement. "It is time for an adventure," he cries. Chewy lets out a happy bark while Bubbles pecks the glowing symbol. With a loud whoosh, the gate swings wide, shrinking the trio as they step into the GlowTrail Woods.
Floating lights fill the air around them, forming a maze of paths. Some are straight, others zigzag, spiral, or loop toward the canopy. But the main trail ahead is broken, its lights scattered like fallen stars. The GlowSprites jingle sadly, hovering over the gap. William kneels to inspect the cold ground while Chewy sniffs for clues. Bubbles hops along the dim trail pieces, searching for a way forward. Just then, a stone tablet rises from the forest floor, displaying 3 distinct symbols: a line, a zigzag, and a spiral. William touches the straight line, and a path appears, but it does not hold. Chewy nudges the zigzag, and Bubbles pecks the spiral, but the tablet remains dim. William pauses.
Remembering the rhythm from the gate, the sequence is the key, he realizes. With careful hands,
he pushes the straight shape to the front. He aligns the zigzag in the middle and guides the spiral to the end. Chewy uses his nose to bump the final piece into place. Bubbles flaps her wings as the broken trail snaps together.
Exploding into a brilliant gold light, the GlowSprites swirl in a joyous dance. "When we follow clues in the right order, we can solve any puzzle," William says proudly.
The woods begin to fade as the purple-gold light of the gate signals the mystery is solved. In an instant,
the trio is back in the backyard, returned to their normal size. William cheers, throwing his hands up, while Chewy playfully boops a passing sprite. Bubbles hops after a lingering shimmer. The gate closes with a final magical spark.
Suddenly, William's backpack begins to glow with a soft green light. A new symbol of a leaf appears on the fabric.
William taps it with a grin. "The learning tree is calling us next," he says. "The adventure is only just beginning."